Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal, an immigration law firm that specializes in family and humanitarian based immigration. If you'd like to work with us on your case, please give my office a call at 508 942 7497, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a case evaluation today. This video is about special immigrant juvenile status, and it's an immigration benefit that leads to a green card. Special immigrant juvenile status is an immigration benefit that is given to people under the age of 21 who can prove that reunification with at least one of their parents is not possible due to abuse, neglect, or abandonment. In order to get special immigrant juvenile status, you first have to get a court order from either a family court or a probate court. This order could be possibly a guardianship. So, for example, if this person is a minor and they were abandoned by their dad, they were left in the US by their dad, for example. They're a minor, so they need someone to care for them and to make decisions for them because they're not an adult yet. So that person may end up getting a guardianship whereby someone becomes their legal guardian until they turn 18 years of age. It could also be that this person is even younger than, maybe they're not a teenager, maybe they are 4 or 5 years old, and now someone wants to adopt them. So that could also be an option where they could have an order as a result of an adoption. So there are a variety of ways to get that court order from the family or probate court, but that generally is one of the first steps. You need the court order for the court case. Then, once you have that court order from the family or probate court, now you can apply for special immigrant juvenile status with USCIS. You apply for special immigrant juvenile status, showing that the person qualifies for special immigrant juvenile status. And once that application for special immigrant juvenile status is approved, you're able to apply for a green card. How quickly you're able to apply for a green card depends on the visa bulletin, as special immigrant juvenile green cards are dependent on the visa bulletin. So if your priority date is current, or if that category for green cards is current, then you would be able to apply for a green card right away. Another factor in determining whether you're able to apply for a green card right away is whether you are applying for special immigrant juvenile status outside of removal proceedings or if you have been placed in removal proceedings, aka deportation proceedings, because that will affect whether you can apply right away or not as well. Generally speaking, for my clients, I'm usually filing both the special immigrant juvenile status application and the green card application at the same time because generally for my clients, they've been able to apply for both right away at the same time. This whole entire process can take a couple of years. It really just depends on what the situation is, how quickly you're able to get that initial court order, and then what is going on with USCIS case processing times. But generally speaking, you can be done with your case depending on the state, depending on USCIS. It could take a year, year and a half. I've seen a couple situations where they have taken 2 years. None of my cases have ever taken longer than a year, but it really just depends on the facts of every individual case. Some things to note about special immigrant juvenile status. It's a really great opportunity or a really great immigration benefit for people that qualify because you're applying on your own. So you are your self-petitioner. So if you are a teenager or even if you're 20 years old and you qualify, you're applying on your own. That means you don't need an affidavit of support. You don't need another petitioner. You are applying for this immigration benefit by yourself. A con of applying for special immigrant juvenile status is that if you are successful and your application for special immigrant juvenile status is approved and you get that green card, once you become a citizen, you cannot petition for your parents because, again, special immigrant juvenile status, you're showing immigration that reunification with your parents is not viable because they have either abused, abandoned, or neglected you. So you can't then turn around and say, okay, well, now I'm a citizen. I want to petition for my mom, or I want to petition for my dad. That's not possible. But other than that, special immigrant juvenile status is a really great benefit for people who qualify for it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you get your green card. And if you're curious to see if you qualify for special immigrant juvenile status, or if you know someone who may qualify for special immigrant juvenile status, feel free to give my office a call at 508-942-7497 or visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a case evaluation today. And if you're not already doing so, follow this channel so that you don't miss the next video. And also feel free to follow us on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer so that you can get a peek into what we're doing when we're not lawyering. Thanks for watching.